Rallies. Hinarang ni Cap Adam Ranit. To Hermosilya, to Sagales. Sagales, may Rallies for 3. In and out. Yes, for 3. In and out. Follow up by Hermosilya.
26 another score.
Let's go, third quarter. Asgad versus Karapdapan. Rallies. Hinarang ni Cap Adam Ranit. To Hermosilya, to Sagales. Sagales, may Rallies for 3. In and out. Follow up by Hermosilya.
26 another score.
Alforte, I mean. Close fight.
Diego.
Sinong bibitaw?
Ay matatalo.
Cap Adam for 3. Wala. Rebound by Sagales. Cap Adam. Toliego. Naagaw ni Miralles. Stepping on the line. Seized by the referee Kodoy. Nice rep. To Edgar Pelicano. Tinulak si Miralles. Foul. Sagales. Miralles back to Sagales. Pumasok sa Sagales. Yes. Sagales wearing number 30 Karapdapan. 30-27 in favor of Karapdapan. Adam Ranit. Toligo. Dumidiskarte. To Pelicano from the right corner. May foul. Seized by the referee Tonton Terencio. Throw. Edgar Pelicano wala.
Nabangga.
Foul. Diego from the center. Yes.
29-30 na ang score.
Richard nagpick, may foul. Nice pick, Richard Birongoy. Wearing jersey number 5 of Karapdapan. Sagales, bicycle shots. Good for two by Sagales. Diego, babawi. Wala. Rebound by Pelicano. Gustong tanggalin ang ring. Richard Birongoy nagmamadali. To Miralles from the left corner. Wala. Rebound by Kaagahon. To Cap Adam. To Edgar Pelicano. Edgar nagpick. Foul.